Best Lawn Mower Lifts. Hi, this is Jane. Today I will discuss about lawn mower lifts. A lawnmower is a very important equipment for individuals who are serious about gardening. However, there are times where we have to repair it or to perform regular maintenance. The toughest task in all this work is to lift the mower. You don't worry, as our team is here to help the readers by providing a list of top 10 best lawn mower lifts to choose. Have a brief look at every model and buy the one that suits the needs of your mower perfectly. List of best lawn mower lifts review. Product link in the description below. 10. Kopachi Push Lawn Mower Lift, best for easy assembly. 9. Mojack XT Residential Lawn Mower Lift, best with 500 pounds capacity. 8. Push Lawnmower Lift Tools, best budget friendly pick. 7. Powerbuilt 620422E Heavy Duty Jack, best for capacity. 6. Pro Lift Lawnmower T5355A, best 550 pounds lawnmower lift. 5. Go Plus Mower Lift High Lift Jack, best for maneuverability. 4. Pro Lift Lawnmower Jack Lift, best under $100. 3. Mojack MJPRO, best for zero-turn mowers. 2. Mojack EZ Max, runners-up. 1. Lauren Corporation, LMLF 750, Editor's Choice. Product link in the description below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.